going to make today is a natural bath bomb or shower soother. We're going to need a small muffin tin or an ice cube tray like this, or something like that, but like a mini muffin tin if you're going to use muffin tins. We're going to take a cup of baking soda, and then to that we're going to add 1/2 cup of Epsom salts. Then you're going to need not very much water, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, and we're going to stir, just to kind of sprinkle on some water and stir it in to make kind of the consistency of, it'll be kind of chunky, kind of sandy, and so we're going to just stir that in quickly, and then to that we're going to add a little combination of several different essential oils: eucalyptus, peppermint oil, rosemary, lemon oil, lavender, and about 20 drops of each of those. So that's looking perfect, kind of a little bit chunky and kind of sandy. We want it to be relatively dry. And so I'm going to add my essential oils, and then we're going to pack this into our container. So I added my essential oils, finishing off with some lemon oil, and now I'm going to pack these in after I've stirred it, just kind of to evenly distribute the oils. Pack it into your greased container and allow it to dry. And then when you're ready to, once they're kind of firmed up and dried, you're going to store them in an airtight container. When you're ready to use them, you can either throw it in a bath, and it's going to be really soothing for your bath, or add to the bottom of your shower. As your shower heats up, it will release those oils and be just really wonderful for your shower. So either way, really helpful for cold and flu season, kind of clearing that sinus congestion, or just really a soothing way to enhance your shower or bath.